Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe.
Let us make sprouted green gram usali today. That is the Moogachi usali, Goan speciality. Sprout whole moong or green gram. Take 1 cup whole moong. Wash and soak for 8 to 10 hours. Tie in a cloth after it is soaked. Keep a strainer in a bowl and transfer all the moong onto the cloth. Now tie the cloth tightly. There has to be no gap in between, then there won't be good sprouts. So let it be tight. Then you can place little water in the bowl, place a strainer on it, keep the tied moong on it, and then cover it with a utensil which is tight so that it generates warmth. Keep for 12 hours. After 12 hours you can see the sprouts. You can use them as it is at this point, or for Goan cooking we like to remove the kernels. So we will soak it again for 10 to 12 hours in plenty water so that the kernels float on the top. So after 12 hours you can see all the green kernels have come up. They are floating. Now this is the difficult process. Difficult means it is time consuming. So take in small batches and remove the kernels as shown. They float, so it is easy to remove them. Only thing is you need little patience. So it needs around 5 to 6 attempts to make it totally kernel free. So do it and keep doing till all the kernels are removed. If few remain, that is okay, because they will come up, they will float once you start cooking it, and that time also you can remove, but maximum you try to remove when it is not cooked. You can see they are floating. In 5 attempts I have been able to clean it this well. So do it, and in small batches when you do it is easy. In similar manner do for the remaining sprouts. Now there are sprouts left in the kernels also, so remove them, and you can also keep it for another 4-5 hours and you will find the kernels remaining sprouts also coming out, see, and that can be used in salads or something later. You can see this is all done. Cook the sprouted moong with little water. If some kernels come up, you can remove them. Add salt to taste. Now check if half cooked. At this point we will do the tempering or the tadka. Now for the seasoning we need 1 teaspoon ghee, half teaspoon mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon hing, and 2 green chilies cut or slit. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves. Fry this and add to the sprouted moong. We need to cook it further since it is only half cooked. Cook again. Add half cup coconut. This is fresh grated coconut, and half teaspoon sugar. Cook till dry. It is ready to serve with fulka or chapati. Happy cooking!
Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.